Hello everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel. So you open your 10th trade for the day, but you get nervous with every tick that goes against your position. And by the end of the day you realize you're in the red, even though your analysis was correct. Or maybe the opposite, you're in a position for weeks, you see a profit but you don't lock it in. Then the market reverses and eats up all your gains. Does this sound familiar? The problem isn't the market or your strategy. The problem is you're trading in the wrong style. In this video, I'll break down the 3 main types of trading styles and list the pros and cons of each, and most importantly, give you guys clear criteria for how to determine which suits you. Make sure you watch until the end, because choosing the right trading style is the difference between profit and endless losses. First up, the scalper, a hunter for quick moves. The scalper lives on 1 and 5 minute charts. His positions last from a few seconds to a couple of hours at most. The goal is to find small 5 to 20 pip moves, but do this 10 to 30 times a day. You need nerves of steel and lightning quick reactions, because a moment of hesitation can turn a profitable trade into a loss. Spreads and commissions also eat up a huge chunk of the profit, so a broker with minimal costs is critical to a scalper. The psychological pressure is enormous. You're always in the market and always under stress. But if you have 4 to 6 hours a day, you can make quick decisions and you don't panic during sharp moves, scalping can provide a stable daily income. Swing trading. Swing trading involves trades lasting several days to a couple of weeks. You work off 4-hour and daily charts, catching medium strength trends. You don't have to sit at the monitor all day. Analyzing the market once or twice a day is enough. Commissions are also less critical, since target profit is 100 to 500 pips. There is another trap though. Overnight swaps can accumulate, especially if you are trading exotic pairs. And the hardest part is watching temporary drawdowns. Seeing a trade in a loss for several days and not closing early is a separate skill. Swing trading is ideal for those who have a main job, can wait, and don't need to look at the charts every 5 minutes. The long-term trader. Positions last from several weeks to several months, sometimes even up to a year. You work off weekly and monthly charts, focusing on fundamental analysis and global trends. Psychologically, this is the easiest style. You check your position once a week and you're free, but you need significant capital. With a small deposit, making 15% in a few months is not something everybody can afford. Stop losses here are wide and the drawdowns goes to hundreds of pips. If you have $500 in your account, you can forget about long-term trading. But if your capital allows and you have the patience, this is one of the calmest ways to steady growth. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about a free resource base that I've created. It's a compact digest with verified setups and backtesting results, with detailed indicator setup instructions in the pinned messages, with quick breakdowns of key macroeconomic news events, and with risk management guides to help you, especially with martingale, so you don't blow your deposit again. All of this available in one place. Details in the description below this video. There are also promo codes for a bonus when making a deposit through partner programs. So go ahead, grab it, use it. So how do you know which type of trader you are? First, evaluate your lifestyle. If you have more than 4 hours a day to trade and you can fully focus, try scalping. If you work full time but you can check the charts in the mornings and in the evenings, swing trading is the way to go. And if trading for you is an investment and not a form of main income, you can look at long-term trading. Secondly, look at your capital. If you have less than $1,000, only scalping and very aggressive swing trading with small lots is viable. $1,000 to $10,000 is ideal for swing trading, and over $10,000 you can basically trade any style you want, including long-term. Thirdly, take it for a test drive. Open a demo account, trade a week on each style and see how it goes. Keep a journal, not only of your trades but how you're feeling. Just remember the main thing. There are no good or bad trading styles, only styles that suit you and styles that don't. A scalper can blow his account in a day, or he can double it in a week, while a long-term trader waits half a year for profit, but he sleeps peacefully the entire time. If you want to dive deeper, explore different styles and build your own hybrid strategy, send me a message directly. I have a private trading community on Telegram where we analyze case studies from members, explore different strategies for different styles, and help everybody find their own path in trading. Selection is individual. I care about the quality of the group, not so much about the quantity. Instructions and contact details are in the description below this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos on strategy breakdowns, trading styles, and psychology of trading. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.